Coming in at third place is Fatal Attraction. We picked this for third place because of the solid execution of a simple yet intriguing concept. We particularly enjoyed this creative take on the attraction theme. Taking the silver medal here is Magnet Adventure. This was a really clever submission built around a fun magnetism mechanic. This was a very good submission and shows great promise. Congrats to Switches Games for being the runners-up. We Have a Date is the deserved winner of the Attraction Game Jam. With really nice, bright, attractive visuals and some particularly nice UI touches like that bar on the side, this is a polished game and very well executed concept. Congratulations to the winner of the Attraction Game Jam as chosen by Kwalee. The most unique game mechanic is Minefield Buddy. This was a really creative twist on the theme, and the aim of the game is simply just to get yourself to the end of a level, and you have this ball which you can ricochet and push around to bounce off objects and clear the way for you, which is very interesting. Mini Golf, spelled Goalf, is a fun combination of mini golf and football, or soccer depending where you're from, with a really great sense of style. Fantastic presentation all round, and a worthy winner of the category Most Visual Impact. With several game submissions and a second place finish with Magnet Adventure, Switches Games gets the honourable mention for being the best new entrant to a game jam with Kwalee and Buildbox. We can't wait to see more from this developer in the future. Well done, everybody!